Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Sandy, Utah, up by the Wasatch Mountains. It's very dry here. I wanted to show you some hibiscus cuttings that I have put in water. It's been by my sink. It's a south-facing window, and it's quite warm there, but not gonna fry them. I want to show you these roots. Look how awesome those look. Can you see that? Do I need to put my hand behind some of these? Look, isn't that cool? So what I do is I put them in the water, and about every 4 days, I rotate to nice clear water. So there's one starting to grow at the top now. Here's another. This one, I still think I'll pot it up today because it's getting more growth at the top still, but that nice root. If you come in real close, you'll see that it starts to callus first, and then where it's callusing is where the roots come out of. And then these guys, look at that one. Isn't that cool? These are water roots. They're not soil roots, so I really hope as we transfer this into the potting soil that we don't have any death, but I'll keep you updated. And then this one I was worried about, but look at the root. This part right here started dying even though it was rooting, and then it put on a whole new shoot. So I'm going to take my clippers and I'm going to cut it off right there because it's this thing's all rotted and gross, so we don't want that. But this is going to work. So it has been by my windowsill for about 2 months. Every 4 days I take and I go like this and I dump the water out and put in clear water. Today we are going to pot it up. These have all been inside. I'm outside right now doing this because it's not too cold out here, and my sunroom looks like a closet, so we're not going to show that. Okay, so let's pot this up. Okay, so I have a big pot because I'm going to put them all in the same pot. I'm not quite sure what color these are. They came from my yard. I took a whole bunch of cuttings. If you start seeing black on your cuttings from the top or the bottom, they're dead. But that one, it grew a new shoot. So just keep rotating the water. We're going to take potting soil. This is just cheap potting soil over at Home Depot. We're going to fill it in the pot, and then I'm going to plant them along the sides. So be right back. This is just cheap potting soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on in here, and I'm going to make kind of a hole here, and I'm going to take one of my cuttings and pat it down. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take the reason I'm doing them on the side, whoa, look at that, is because the roots go out to the side, break, and send down more roots. That way this section will have a lot more roots. Okay, we're going to turn it again, put a hole, grab the next one, stick it in there, bury. We're going to take this last one, we're going to do a hole, put it in there, bury. And then all we're going to do is take some clear water and water it in, or knock it over. I'm so excited. So these, as soon as the water drains out all the way, I'm going to let it sit here and drain, and I'm going to kind of push that back after. But as soon as the water drains all the way, I'm going to take it back inside because we are starting to become winter and these cuttings won't survive outside. I'm going to take them inside for the winter, let them grow on in this pot, and by mid-spring, summer, probably spring, I'm going to be able to either pot them up into a bigger pot or get them out into the landscape. So follow along for more updates. We'll see you later. Bye.